Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America. I want to thank Mallory and the GSG team for having me on. Thank you guys so much. Now I want to introduce 3 brand new colors we just added to the Siser Metal Heat Transfer Vinyl line. And that is blue metal, silver blue metal, and red metal. Now these are fantastic additions to our metal heat transfer vinyl line. These are one-step processes, so all you have to do is cut it on your vinyl cutter in reverse. We're gonna weed out the excess material right now and heat apply it. You need some inspiration for the summer, so we're gonna do something with all 3 of these brand new metal colors. We're gonna mix all 3 of these colors together with a great design to showcase what these colors are all about. Now on your heat press, you're set to 305. So just like the Easy Weed mat, all our other Easy Weed. So what we're gonna do first, just like the other ones, is set it up on our heat press. But for this project, what I'm gonna use is a heat press pillow, because this is something I need you all to pay attention to, is that the seams of this tank top are gonna cause uneven pressure to the area I wanna press on. So with a heat press pillow, this is going to allow the area I wanna press on to kind of rise above those seams or any kind of obstructions you deal with. So these are great tools to use if you have projects like this. So we adjusted it. I'm gonna press this for a few seconds, do my preheat. Now we're ready to go. Now, the only difference compared to the last 2 lessons I just showed you with the Easy Weed mat and the glitter is metal heat transfer vinyl. It is not a 1-second tack or a hot peel. We are gonna press this down all at one time. It isn't a 1-second tack though. So we are gonna press this for about 5 to 6 seconds just to get these onto the garment. Again, with the Siser Metal Heat Transfer Vinyl, it is a cold peel. So you don't want to keep it on your heat press. You actually want to take it off. Ideally use a cold surface, maybe where you're working. Let it cool down before you peel your carrier. Give it a few seconds. I have one more color I need to add. I'm going to lay this back down onto my heat press and add my silver blue, which is going to go over the rest of this design. And I am gonna only tack this down the same way. I'm gonna do 5 seconds. Again, wait till this cools off. Just give it about 5 seconds. Bump it up against something cool. All right, so now we are done with the carrier sheets, but it's very important, just like we did with the Easy Weed mat, that once our carrier sheets are off, we go back and apply for the entire duration. It's still very important to make sure you apply so that it's getting the correct temperature for the entire duration it needs, which is about another 10 seconds. And here you have it in action. What do you guys think? All 3 of the brand new Siser Metal Heat Transfer Vinyl colors.